Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your BIOS with Dell SupportAssist, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your BIOS using Dell SupportAssist, first, ensure your computer is powered on and connected. Locate the Dell SupportAssist application on your desktop or in the Start menu. Double-click the SupportAssist icon to launch the program. Once the application opens, it may take a moment to run preliminary checks on your system. Look for an option that says Check for Updates or Update. Click on this option to allow SupportAssist to search for any available updates for your system. After the scan is complete, check if a BIOS update is listed among the available updates. If a BIOS update is available, select it to view additional details regarding the update. Ensure that your device is plugged into a power source to prevent it from shutting down during the update process. Once you've confirmed the details, click on the Download or Install button next to the BIOS update. Follow any on-screen prompts to proceed with the download and installation of the update. The system may prompt you to restart your computer to apply the BIOS update. Save any important work before proceeding with the restart. After your system reboots, the BIOS update process should start automatically. Allow the update to complete without interruption, as this may take several minutes. Once the process is finished, your computer will restart again. You can verify the success of the update by accessing the BIOS setup during the boot process. To do this, restart your computer and press the appropriate key, usually F2 or delete, during the startup. Once in the BIOS setup, check that the version number matches the update you installed. Exit the BIOS setup to boot back into your operating system. You've successfully updated your BIOS using Dell SupportAssist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.